Do you have a system for your driving for dollars, or are you just willy-nilly out there driving? We are running repairs on the house, okay? And let's just say we sit down with that seller and we say to Mr. Seller, because we offered a free repair estimate on their home. Mr. Seller, you have 3 options. You can repair your home and sell it yourself. You can repair your home and list it with an agent and pay commission, okay? Or you can sell it to us. We buy homes as is. We close on your timeline. It costs you nothing in repairs. Do you have a system for your driving for dollars, or are you just willy-nilly out there driving? I've heard nothing but positive things about PropStream. Haven't heard anything bad about Property Radar. Now, they neither one of them have a direct mail campaign. You send out a postcard like Deal Machine. You take a picture of the house. They send out a postcard. It does cost you, but it's it gets it done right away.